Right guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at invidiaTrade versus XTB. Which one do you think, down in the comments, is going to win from my personal opinion? We're going to compare them both, look at exactly what has to offer, and looking at the benefits and also the cons of both of them. And then at the very end, I'll give you my winner and see if invidiaTrade continue to beat the competitors. Now, before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Okay, up first is XTB. Okay, so this is XTB. Obviously, the interface is very clean. We can see they're saying it's where your money works. They have a 0% commission on stocks and ETFs. Above this amount, the commission is only 0.2%. So that's a minimum of 10 Great British pounds over 100,000 euro monthly turnover. They have free deposits and withdrawals, and there is no custodial fees. And then as we go down, we can see that they offer stocks and ETFs. They also have investment plans and Forex commodities and indices. Now, as we scroll down, we can see that you can get interest on uninvested funds as well. And looking like on the right-hand side is a screen grab of their app. And then they've also received multiple awards as well. Now, they do have an app, everything all in one app, all markets in one place, comprehensive solution and initiative interface. Okay, some of the other things they offer is education. You can get an investing course, customer support, and also marketing news. And then their customer service is at the bottom. Now, if we look at the top, we can take a look, a deeper dive into the accounts they have to offer. And they can see that you've got a stock and ETFs or CFDs instruments. Okay, so for the stocks and ETFs, you can see that it's free to open, free deposits, free withdrawals, and free commission. Minimum investment value of £10. Currency conversion fee is 0.5. Available on mobile, desktop, and tablet. Now, with the CFD instruments, the deposits are free, account opening, all the above are free, and then there's a 0% commissions for trading CFDs. Minimum order is 0.01, maximum leverage is 1.3, maximum spread 0.3, minimum spread 0.3. Now, if we were to head on over to invidiaTrade, we can see that the interface is definitely a lot cleaner. We can actually adjust from day and light mode as well. But what we can see is it's built to provide traders with modern day trading experience, built with initiative, technology. They avoid the cookie-cutter approach. Now, why do they stand out? They have unmatched execution, true ECN technology coupled with access to tier 1 liquidity providers allows them to gift traders with superior execution. Now, they have top quality support, which is available 24/7, and they have a platform of choice. So looking at the platforms, they have TradingView Plus DX, MT Cloud 4 and 5, Cloud Vision X, and Cloud Trader View as well. Now, at the bottom, they do have their customer service as well. Using this little link, you can talk to a live customer agent. Okay, we want to go up to the top and click on trading. Okay, so once we click on trading, we can either see the pairs and the stocks. So what pairs and what stocks do they have? Okay, so they cover the full range of the financial markets. That's Forex, indices, commodities, cryptos, and also stocks. Now, they have a real ECN technology, like it said in the intro. And if we look at the account types as well, they have standard, pro, VAR, and also mini. So the standard and the pro have 200 plus pairs, including the VAR. And then the mini, you are limited to just 29 pairs with a commission per lot of $4. Now, they also do have an affiliate program. If you do have a community or you have friends and family that you want to advise invidiaTrade to trade on, then they do offer you this payout structure, which is obviously very affordable and very lucrative for the people that want to share this out. Okay, but there you have it, guys. That was invidiaTrade versus XTB. Me personally, invidiaTrade have a wider range of currencies, and also like they cover every single financial part of there with the multiple different account types as well. Then it definitely appeals to a wider range of people. Okay, the 24/7 and also the live chatbot, I honestly believe pushes it out the park against the likes of XTB. XTB are very, very good broker if you are looking to trade stocks or even commodities. However, I couldn't find the account type that actually allowed me to trade Forex or even cryptocurrencies. However, like I said, personally for me, invidiaTrade wins this one. Let me know down in the comments your opinion and whether you agree. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.